Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shagun and today we are going to learn about chemistry in day-to-day life. So let's get started. First things first, we will talk about the basic chemistry in everyday life like oxygen and water. Oxygen is needed for breathing and for fire burning, and water is needed for drinking. The formula of water is H2O, which is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. We cannot survive without oxygen and water. Our body also needs some elements like calcium and phosphorus to keep it strong and healthy. And now we are going to talk about common chemistry in day-to-day life. First, did you know that fluorine is used as fluoride in toothpaste? And another fact is that helium is used in balloons. And because helium is lighter than air, it allows the balloons to float, which makes them more fun. And do you know which gas is used for cooking? Methane is. The cylinder you see every day in the kitchen is full of methane, and methane is also called cooking gas. And have you ever been to shopping malls or some sort of bars or something? And have you ever seen some big lights that glow? They are actually called neon lights, and they are made from the elements neon. And do you know that diamond, which is loved by most of the women of the world, is actually a form of carbon? Carbon graphite is another form of carbon, and it is used in pencils. This dark point is actually carbon graphite. And do you know about carbon dioxide? It's a part of pollution these days. Carbon dioxide is released from vehicles. Did you know that boron is used in green fireworks? This is because when boron burns, it gives out a green flame. And have you ever felt rushing air that comes to your face whenever you open chip packets? That air is actually nitrogen, and it is used in chip packets to store them so that they don't get stale. And an amazing fact about nitrogen is that it comprises 78% of the atmosphere. Have you ever wondered things about soap, like how does it clean everything, and how are those small bubbles formed? Well, did you know that magnesium is used in liquid detergent to clean things because it cleans better than detergent powder, and sodium is used for the bubbles. And do you like to eat spicy food? Most of your food contains salt in it. And did you know how salt is formed? It is formed with sodium and chlorine. When sodium and chlorine combine, they form sodium chloride, which is actually salt. Another fact is that bananas contain phosphorus, and phosphorus is very essential for the formation of bones and teeth. So you must eat a lot of bananas. And did you know that coins are actually made from nickel? And have you ever wondered how does your room light up? And how do the light bulb works? How do they shine? Where does that glow come from? It's all actually from an element called krypton, which is used in light bulbs so that they can glow. And did you know that mercury is used in thermometers because it can easily tell the temperature? And have you ever heard about baking soda? It is used to make things spongy and soft. The formula for baking soda is NaHCO3. And do you like to eat fast food? And whenever you eat fast food, you always think of a different flavor that comes from that fast food. Do you know what it all is? Well, monosodium Glutamate is used in fast food to give them a different flavor. Please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Bye.